Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about Raffle Tickets as a dynamic NFT. This is a project which we did last year for a community called Rebel Club. Their idea was they have a lot of artists with them with whom they are building a lot of artworks as NFTs, which are around social taboos. But they also do a lot of Twitter spaces and various online and offline events where they want to give raffle tickets to various volunteers, participants, artists, and there are many other folks. So the idea was that the raffle ticket has to be dynamic. They will keep issuing raffle tickets, and then whenever they run a draw, they want to reward people with like mental health coupons or some goodie boxes or anything of that sort. So the fun part here was they don't want it to be done via Excel sheets or some other mechanism. They want it all on blockchain, and they want it all on NFT. So what we did with them is we created an ERC-721 based smart contract on Polygon mainnet. The goal was to save gas, and the NFT was not a static image. It was not predefined. It's a dynamic certificate. Only this part, like this is NFT first of all, which you're seeing here. This is how it looks. I will show it to you on OpenSea also. So this is the NFT. This is the name of the guy to whom it is issued. And then it has a running number so that just like raffle tickets, you always have a number. So this is the number of the NFT. Then this NFT carries a state. Let's say this raffle is done and it is having like 100 participants. So whoever is the winner, this gets a star on the ticket whenever the draw is run, and the draw is executed on blockchain that I will show you shortly. Then when the reward is claimed, let's say somebody get a mental health coupon, they claimed the reward, they used it. So the NFT updates itself, the same NFT. There are not three NFT, it's the same NFT which is updating itself. And it shows that the same ticket is claimed. So this was a fun project. It's a dynamic NFT because it's changing its state all the time, and it's totally smart contract driven. There is no other database or API involved. So we'll deep dive into it, and you can find and see if you want to take a quick look. Let me show you the collection. So this is the production collection on OpenSea. These are different tickets which we have issued with them. They have done it. In the next part, I will show you how you can use the blockchain, the Polygon mainnet, like here, to basically transact with the NFT and how you can do that. And in the next part, we will also talk about how we can integrate with systems and CRMs like Salesforce to do all the minting, the drawing of winner and toggling the claim price and all those things via Salesforce CRM itself. Stay tuned. So in this part, let's see how the smart contract works. We saw in the last video that we had these NFTs. Now, this NFT is nothing but a smart contract, and this is the contract which my team created. And if you want to take a look at the code, you can take a look at the code here. This is on testnet. I'm talking about everything on testnet because I want to give you a live demo, really live, nothing recorded. It's all done right away in a few seconds from now. So if you will see, it will show you multiple files. So this is the main contract file, the SOL file. This is basically the contract which keeps a track of, I will not explain the code, it's in Solidity. It tracks basically the tickets by number. It is having few other state management things. It has key functions like to run a draw, to toggle the claim price whenever somebody claims a reward, and then it has bulk minting of NFT, minting of NFT. So these are all smart contract functions which we can invoke via Polygon scan, or we can use any Web3 APIs to connect it with a CRM or any Web2 or Web3 compatible system. So this code, if you want, you can take a look at your own speed. This is the main file, and other ones are the standard basically contracts which comes with ERC-721 and other APIs which we have included in the smart contract. So these are all inclusions, but I will not go much into the code to save your time. Moving ahead, let's see how we can play with this contract. But before that, we have, for safety reasons, not everybody can transact with this contract because this is a raffle ticket. We don't want anybody to run raffles, mint tickets. So this is our admin wallet. So if you don't know about MetaMask, you can check our Google videos about this thing. This is a wallet of crypto wallet. and we have connected this crypto wallet to a testnet. Testnet means like if you talk about Polygon, Polygon has a production server and a like a sandbox server. So I'm connected with the sandbox. These are not real money, it's a sandboxed money. So this address is basically the one via which we deployed this contract on Polygon blockchain. And I'm going to interact with the same here. So first it's asking me to connect to Web3. So let me do that. So it asks me which wallet you want to use. So as of now I have MetaMask. I will do that. Let me hit OK. And this is done. So this is now showing the same address. And if you want to validate, you can just hit here, copy, and if I paste it here, so see this is the same address. Now the methods which I was showing you in the code here, they will be visible here also. So what we want to do is, let's say we want to mint an NFT. So what we can do is we can come to this function mint NFT. So if you see, it asks you for a name and a wallet address. So name can be anything. We can say John Snow. And for wallet address, what I have done is basically I have created another, you can say Chrome profile, and I've installed MetaMask again. And this is my another wallet address. So you can create multiple Chrome profiles. You can create multiple crypto wallets. MetaMask is just one of the way you can do it by command line, and there are so many ways. So I'm copying this wallet address. I'm coming here. This is my crypto wallet address. I'm pasting it here. Doing this will basically mint an NFT, basically create an NFT for the person named Jon Snow. You will see the name on the ticket, and this NFT will be issued to this crypto wallet address. Let's see how this goes. So I'm now hitting write. So write is a transaction. Typically, if you will do it on real blockchain, it will cost you a little bit money. We have used Polygon to make it really cheap. So if you see it is saying gas and total expense will be this much, let me just confirm. I will not go into technicals. So I'm hitting the confirm button. It says view transactions. So it takes a few seconds to do. So it is saying that it's pending. For sake of speed, let me just refresh it quickly. So it should reflect now within a second or two. Shouldn't take more. Okay, so this is done now. So if you see that the transaction is success, it is showing some standard things. Now let's do the real thing. Let's go to our contract again. Let's copy the contract address and let's go to the Polygon. No, sorry, the OpenSea testnet. OpenSea testnet is a marketplace for all NFTs. Here you can go to your smart contracts and check what is going on with them. So let me copy the address of my smart contract and let me try to find it out. I think 1 second. Okay, yes, so I pasted it. It is saying this one. Like, let's go here and let's see where is our ticket. So let's try to sort by newest maybe. So recently created. Yeah, so this is the recently created one. If you go here, it will show you the name Jon Snow and all the other details. So this is how we just minted an NFT for somebody called Jon Snow, and it is available on their wallet. And if you want now to move ahead, let's say we have seen one function. Let me close this old tab. This is the transaction tab. I'm closing that. Now let's come back to the same contract. I'm on my contract. Let me try to basically run a draw. So what I will do is I will come to a draw, and let's say just for sake of fun, I will say the reward is what a cookie jar is the reward. So what will happen is there are a lot of tickets here which are not winners. Let me go back to the collections. So there are a lot of tickets which are minted here, like around hundreds of tickets. All of them are not winner. So it will basically pick a random winner and they will get a cookie jar. So let's see how this works. So now I will do a write here. Let me click that. So now it will ask me again that I have to do a blockchain transaction. Every click you do costs some gas on blockchain, and on some networks like Ethereum it is costly, but we are using Polygon, so it is not that costly. So let me click confirm. Now, if you see, it is view your transactions. So we have to go there. It is too technical, I know. You might not be liking it, but there is a good reason why we are doing it in this technical manner. Because in the next phase, I will show you how when we connect this whole thing with a third-party system like any Web2 website or a CRM like Salesforce, this all geekish kind of thing will disappear. You will simply have buttons and you will see the ticket is minted, the results are done. So now the transaction is done. And the way you see who is the winner is we have a logging done in the smart contract code. So it says that the winner name is Phoebe Buffet and the wallet address is this thing. And their token number is 135. So let's find what is happening with 135. So let's try to see if I can find by 135. Yeah. So let's go here. So as of now, you see one thing which I was told you in first part is as soon as a ticket wins, it gets a star. What these blockchain marketplaces or the NFT marketplaces are doing, they're caching the NFT for performance reasons. So we have to hit refresh metadata once so that it fetches the latest generated image again. Hopefully it will be done. Let me try to refresh. You will see a star here. No, okay, yeah, it came. So see, this guy is winner. That's why this has the star here. So Phoebe won raffle. Now, what will happen? Let's say we want to uh, talk to Phoebe. Phoebe will say like, okay, I want to use the cookie jar. We gave it to her. So now we want to reflect the same on the ticket. So the way to do that is the ticket number is 135. Let's close this whole transaction tab. We are on the same contract. So now we offered an admin function. Again, all these are admin functions. Not everybody can come and do that thing. So what we can say is toggle claimed. So what we will say is that the ticket number 135 is a winner. And we can say, yes, this guy has taken the reward, like we handed over the cookie jar to them. So let's say what happens. We came here, we confirmed the transaction. Let's open the transaction in the new tab. It will probably take a second again to complete. I'm refreshing the page to see if it is done. In the meantime, let me show you one another thing. So see, it also tells you that this guy has won a cookie jar because we don't want to pollute the whole NFT by a lot of things. We want to they want a clean layout. So that's why we have kept it like this. And let's see, in the meantime, I'm coming back to the same tab. Yeah, this is done. So now you have to notice this ticket. It is not saying claimed. Let me refresh it. I think it will still stay the same. I have to tell the marketplace that the NFT is updated. I will refresh the metadata so that it clears the caches. And if you refresh it again, hopefully it will come. No. Okay, it came. So this is claimed. So this is the whole thing, 100% done with blockchain as a database. And the key reason to do that is to ensure transparency that nobody is doing anything wrong. And the reason we are saying transparency is apart from code, every transaction which is happening on blockchain is just like a bank transaction. You cannot reverse it or you cannot delete it. Anybody can go to all the transactions. Like if you see, I'm recording this video for past 6-7 minutes. So all the 3 transactions which I have done, all 3 are showing up here. So this transparency is very important in communities and at times when you're running raffle tickets, which are always in suspicion. So this is how we achieve this whole thing. What we have seen so far was very technical. It's highly around the Solidity blockchain coding style, and it was purely a smart contract execution from the Polygon scan website, which is not very business user or end user friendly. So the idea is always to have these smart contracts connected to Web2 portals or CRMs or any business portals from which business users can execute. So what we have done is we have the technical stack, the blockchain ready with the smart contract. We have integrated it with Salesforce. We have created a small set of modifications in metadata, like we have created a few fields on contact to store wallet addresses. And we have created few Lightning components to interact with MetaMask crypto wallets and do all sort of these things. So have a look at the demo next. This is just plain vanilla Salesforce stuff. We are not using the Salesforce Web3 cloud because it's a simple integration to show that even without Salesforce Web3, You can do a bunch of things very easily within Salesforce with your existing smart contracts or any other smart contracts which you are planning to build in future.
Everyone, in this video we'll be seeing how to configure and use raffle ticket minting component. In order to use raffle ticket minting component, we need to first configure it. For that, we need to store our smart contract address. This is a smart contract that we are using to mint ticket and draw the winning ticket. Let's just copy its contract address from here. This is deployed on Polygon scan, and search custom metadata type in quick find. Click on manage record button next to contract detail. Click on new. Let's name our contract as Raffle Polygon contract and copy the contract address. Let's click on save. Once this is done, let's navigate or go to Raffle Ticket tab. Raffle Ticket is a custom object that is storing details of raffle tickets in Salesforce. Let's create a new raffle ticket. Let's click on new. The ticket owner is a lookup field to contact. Let's create a new contact. The contact object has a custom field name as wallet address, in which we'll be storing the wallet address of the receiving user of the raffle ticket. Let's click on save. Let's select the reward detail to cookie jar and state it to draft and click on save. Once the page is loaded, the record detail page is loaded, we are asked to connect a wallet to the site. So the wallet you need to connect to the site must be the contract owner, or else you won't be able to perform any functions. So account 3 here is my contract owner, so I've selected that. Let's click on next and then connect the wallet. Once the wallet is connected, you can see the raffle ticket minting component. I have added this here by going on the gear icon, clicking on edit page. From the custom section, drag mint raffle ticket component here on the canvas. I'm not doing that as it's already there. And then click on save and then activate the page for your org as per your needs. Let's go back. So now, as our wallet is already connected to our raffle ticket component, let's just click on mint raffle ticket button. As you can see, the minting is in process. You have to confirm the MetaMask transaction notification. Once this is done or it's minted properly, we'll be able to see changes in the fields, storing the token ID and the status to mint it. And we'll also be seeing a notification. As you can see, we have received the toast notification. Let's click refresh for once to see the changes on our field. As you can see, the token ID is 98 and the status is minted. Let's see the ticket on OpenSea. As you can see, the ticket is minted to Mary Jane. As my first account is linked to OpenSea, here it's saying it's owned by me. Hello everyone, in this video we'll be seeing how to use the bulk raffle ticket minting component. So I've already created two raffle tickets. Let's just create one more and mint them together. Let's just create a new contact. Select the reward detail, the status to draft, and click on save. Let's go back to our list view. Then select all the tickets that you want to mint. Here I want 89, 90, and 91, and click on mint ticket button. As you can see, the minting is already started. Confirm the MetaMask transaction notification. Will receive a toast once the minting is done. In case you have selected any ticket that is already minted, that will not be minted, and in case you have selected all the tickets that are minted, then you'll receive an error saying that all the tickets are minted. So here we can see the minting is done. Let's just close. Now let's just see whether it has updated or the tickets have been minted or not on OpenSea. So as you can see here, let's just, yeah, 103, 102, and 104. These are the tickets that we just created. Addie Green, Hannah Baker, Zed Meadows. So yeah, this is how we perform bulk minting.
Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to use the draw winner tickets component. This component is basically used to draw a lucky winner out of the raffle. Before I show you how to use this component or add it to your page, let's just see what our minted tickets looks like. So here on OpenSea we have a raffle ticket collection. Let's just pick one ticket. So as you can see here, this is a ticket. We have a token number, the owner name, and if we scroll down and see something in description and details, there is nothing. If this ticket turns out to be the winning ticket, there will be some changes made to this ticket and its description, which we'll see in the winning grid. Let's just add our component to our page. You can add this component to either home page or record detail page. To do so, go to the gear icon, click on edit page, scroll down to the custom section, drag the draw ticket component onto the canvas, click on save, activate your page. I've already activated it, so let's just go back for now. Now let's try using a component. Select a reward detail, click on draw winner ticket button, confirm the MetaMask transaction notification, and let's just wait for our winner to be drawn. So as you can see here, our winner is Maria John. Let's just go to their ticket record, click on view ticket record button. So as you can see here, this is our ticket record. The is winner checkbox is checked to true. We can see the winning time. Let's just go to this particular ticket, and as as of now, you cannot see any changes in the description or in the ticket. To see the changes, click on the three dots and then click on refresh metadata. Yeah. So as you can see, Maria John ticket was our winning ticket. So the winning ticket here has this star icon indicating that this is a winner ticket. You are not able to see the traits here and the description as of now. Let's try refreshing the page. Yeah, so now as of now here you can see we selected the cookie jar reward and this is added to the trait of the ticket. Once this ticket is claimed, you'll be able to see a text claimed here in the ticket.
Thanks for watching the video. In this video, we tried to give you a holistic view of a smart contract from its creation, like the code base of a smart contract in Solidity, how it's hosted on Polygon blockchain, how we can interact with the smart contract from within the Polygon blockchain. Then we integrated the Polygon smart contract with Salesforce without using the Salesforce Web3 Connect to show you the power that how we can call various smart contract functions from within Salesforce using Lightning components and other Salesforce standard features. Hope this video gives you an insight, and in case you have any other questions related to smart contracts on how we can do NFT smart contract integrations with Salesforce, feel free to drop us a comment. Thank you.